Claude just changed the way we trade. It can now natively trade stocks, crypto, forex, commodities, and prediction markets right from inside the app. There's also a new skill that lets it pull live market data and track exactly what insiders and large funds are buying and copy those trades automatically. I'm going to walk through 3 levels: setup, copy trading off real data, and full automation off any alert source you already use. Even if you've never bought a single stock before, you can follow this. Let's get into it. So first, open Claude. Bottom left, download the desktop app. Mac or Windows, doesn't matter, just make sure your computer's updated to the latest version first, or the connector install can fail partway through. Once that's installed, we need to give Claude access to actually place trades. That's done through a tool called Liquid Trade. Go to liquid.trade. Links are below so you don't have to type it. Hit Start Trading and make an account. That page only needs your email and a password. Nothing financial yet. Now go back to liquid.trade and hit Co-Invest. This is what bridges Liquid Trade into Claude. It also works with ChatGPT and iMessage if you use those, but I'm showing the Claude version here since that's what we're building on. Hit Start on Claude. It generates a short code. Copy that code, open Claude, go into your Connectors panel, hit Add, paste the code in, hit Connect. Give it a few seconds to sync. Once it's done, Co-Invest will show up listed under your active connectors inside Claude, and you'll be able to reference it directly in any chat from that point on. Before you do anything else, don't put real money in. Type this exactly into Claude. Can you enable paper trading for my account with Co-Invest, please? Paper trading runs on the same live prices and the same execution speed as real trading. The only difference is the money's fake. So you get to test the entire system end-to-end with zero financial risk before your real account ever touches it. Now ask Claude to show you your portfolio. It pulls that directly into the chat window, no separate app to check. Let's place a few trades so you can see this working across different markets. Ask Claude to buy a small amount of Bitcoin, buy 1 share of a stock you're interested in, place a small trade in Forex like Euro to US dollar, buy a bit of gold, and place a small bet in a prediction market. Claude will show you each order and ask you to confirm before anything executes. You approve each one individually. At this stage, nothing goes through automatically without you saying yes first. Once those go through, ask Claude to show your portfolio again. You'll see stocks, crypto, forex, commodities, and the prediction market position all listed together in one place instead of checking 5 separate apps to get a full picture of what you own. That's level 1 finished. You now have one chat window that can read your full position and execute trades across every major market type. Level 2 is about giving Claude real information to work from instead of just executing orders you type in. Tracking smart money means watching what people and institutions with better information are doing. That includes large funds, insider filings, government contracts ending, lobbying disclosures, SEC filings. This applies across stocks, crypto, forex, and prediction markets. It's not limited to stock tickers. The problem is this data normally lives scattered across a dozen different sites. There's a tool called QuiverQuant that pulls it into a single dashboard. It shows specific strategies, exactly who's buying what and when, and what each strategy would have returned historically if you'd followed it over the past 1 or 3 months. To connect this to Claude, go to QuiverQuant and search for their MCP page. MCP is the connector standard. It's what lets Claude plug directly into outside tools and pull live data from them instead of guessing. Hit Get API Key and sign up. You'll land on a page showing 3 steps: get your key, configure the client, and query the data. Copy that exact text from the page or screenshot it if that's easier. Now go to Claude, but this time use code, not the regular chat window. Code handles multi-step installs more reliably, and it troubleshoots better if a step doesn't connect cleanly on the first attempt. Make a new folder and name it Trading. Everything for this setup lives inside that folder. Paste this in. Help me connect to the QuiverQuant MCP. Then paste the 3 steps from their page underneath it. Then paste your API key at the end. Hit Go. Claude here stalls the connector itself. You're not editing any configuration files by hand. To check it actually worked, open a fresh chat and ask Claude directly, do you have the QuiverQuant MCP installed? It'll confirm yes or tell you exactly what step is missing if it's not connected yet. Run that same check for the trading connector too. Ask, do you have the Co-Invest MCP installed? Claude will confirm both connectors are active before you move forward. Now here's where this gets useful. Ask Claude, "Can you tell me if insiders are buying or selling Tesla right now?" It pulls the actual filing data and gives you a direct answer in the chat instead of you opening 5 browser tabs and trying to cross-reference it yourself. You can also go into QuiverQuant directly, click Strategies, and filter by time frame, 1 month or 3 months, to see what each one would have returned historically if you'd followed it. That's not a guarantee of what you'll personally make going forward, it's historical data, so you're not picking a strategy completely blind. Pick whichever one matches how much risk you're actually comfortable with. Once you tell Claude which strategy you want to follow, it can track that specific one going forward and flag you when there's new activity. One more thing worth knowing. If you have the Claude app installed on your phone, your portfolio and both of these connectors work there too. You're not tied to your desktop just to check a position or approve a trade. Level 1 gave you execution. Level 2 gave you real insider data instead of a guess. Level 3, Claude watches your actual alert sources directly and executes automatically the moment a signal lands inside the exact limits you define. Quick disclaimer before you go build this yourself. This isn't financial advice. Markets carry real risk, run everything in paper trading first, and only ever risk money you're genuinely okay losing. Everything walked through here is free to set up, and it's already sitting inside the Claude app you probably already have open.